Can you convert GGives to GCash wallet without credit card? The answer is yes. You can convert GGives to GCash wallet without using a credit card. You can do this by converting your GGives to cash within the GGives app. You can transfer that cash to your GCash wallet using InstaPay or PesoNet or through GCash partner outlets. So what you need to do is convert the GGives to cash by opening the GGives, go to the Grow Coins section and select the option to withdraw or convert your GGives wallet or your balance. Then go to choose GCash as destination, select GCash as your preferred withdrawal method, and then enter the amount where you can need to specify the amount of GGives you want to convert to your GCash wallet. And then lastly, you want to confirm that, so follow the prompts to enter the information and the confirmation codes sent to your mobile number to complete the transfer. And then lastly, you want to transfer them via InstaPay or PisaNet or partner outlets. So if you choose to transfer via InstaPay or PisaNet, you'll need to log into your bank's website or app and select the transfer to other banks option on your GCash, and then enter the required details like your name, your bank name, and bank number, and then alternatively, you can visit a GCash partner outlet like global stores or convenience stores or other centers to cash into your GCash wallet. And that's how you can convert GGives to GCash wallet without a credit card.